Meaning of expressway.
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 Expressway. An expressway is a type of highway that is designed for high-speed traffic with minimal access to other roads and crossings. It typically has multiple lanes, grade-separated interchanges, and limited entry and exit points. Expressways are intended to facilitate faster and smoother transportation of people and goods between different locations with reduced travel time and congestion. They are often used for long-distance travel and are an important part of modern transportation infrastructure. However, they can also have environmental and social impacts on surrounding communities.